Our team coverage on Helene continues with Ari Height tonight.
Here's a look at the damage Helene caused on the Treasure Coast, including one home that took a direct hit from above. And Ari, you're in Stuart, where the conditions are still stormy?
Yes, they are right now. Let me explain to you exactly where we are. We're at Flagler Park, right near the Roosevelt Bridge here in Stuart, where the wind has been blowing pretty steadily all night long. It does occasionally drop down to like a light breeze, but then it gusts pretty hard again, but still not quite as hard as the wind was blowing earlier today. This is what's left of a home on Southeast Cortez Street in Stuart. Around 9:15 Thursday morning, a huge tree snapped and fell directly on top of the home.
I was asleep. I was sleeping on the couch. The roof fell in. It hit me in the head. I woke up, looked around, and I saw the whole wall was broken. I realized something fell on top of me.
3 people, an adult and 2 children, were inside. And here's what's worse. They were trapped. No way to get out.
I was frightened, but I figured being scared wasn't going to get me anywhere. So I was just waiting there until somebody was able to help me.
Fortunately, a Martin County Sheriff's deputy was in the area and was able to help the family crawl to safety.
When you look at the scene, the amount of damage as well as the significant size of that tree when it fell through the roof, it's really a miracle no one was injured.
A little farther north in Port St. Lucie, the high winds bent 2 utility poles on Southwest Hamberland Avenue.
Started hearing a lot of wind, going through the screen enclosure in the back, and even heard some of my like furniture on the patio start to float around.
A live wire burned a line across the front lawn of one house. Residents of 8 homes were required to shelter in place for hours because of those live wires on the ground. Power lines were also an issue in Okeechobee County, where a tree fell on the lines along Highway 441, causing residents to call for help.
I didn't want it falling on the 441 and disrupting traffic here and causing an accident.
And back here live right now, we're seeing one of those light breezes I was talking about earlier. Again, the wind has been gusting every now and then as we've been out here. The good news is, through all of the reports we've gotten of some of the damage, we have not heard any reports of any injuries. That is the very latest reporting live in Stuart. Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.